I can hum with my mouth and nose open for more than 10 seconds. Watch this. Made it easily. I can also do it with my nose closed and my mouth open. Watch and listen. I could make 10 seconds if I wanted to, and I think I could do it with my mouth closed and my nose open. Have a listen to this. That's also easy, isn't it? You've done it that way many times, haven't you? Do you think I could hum with both mouth and nose closed? Well, I can. How long do you think I could do it for? Let's find out. I can only last for 2 seconds. Tell you what, get all your friends around and have a competition. See who can hum longest with mouth and nose closed. And after you've worked that out, see if between the lot of you, you can find out why it's so difficult to do.
I want to know.